Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox Oppo F15 Android 3GB and 32GB storage. So here you can see it is made in India, and it costs around 10 to 11,000 rupees. Its design is something like absolutely fine. So you can see here on the box, this is the box you can get Oppo F15. So let us unbox this right now. So let us check how the looks of this phone and the interior of this phone, and let us check how it is and what bad we have. Here you can see it is written 12,990. So you can see here RAM is 3GB and the ROM is 32GB. So let us unbox this right now. So if you didn't press the subscribe button, then please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So first of all, we can get this case here. So let me keep this case out this side, and here this is a pin ejector to open your SIM card or to insert your SIM card, and this is finally the phone. So let us keep this aside now and let's check inside what is there. So here is an adapter and USB cable. So it's very sad that we don't have the Type-C cable but a normal one. So here you can see this is the phone. So let us check the design, how it look like. So here you can see it's amazing, the sexiest phone I have ever seen. So you can see here the design is amazing. I don't know the interior, I don't know the inside program, but you can see the phone is amazing. The looks of this phone is fantasticity you can see here. So the camera design is something like F17, like that, F17 Pro and F17, but it is absolutely fine. So let us check it out inside. How is the camera and the settings here. So let me just show you. Let me just go to camera here, and then this camera is basically fine for normal users, not the best camera, but it's absolutely fine. And here you can see the about phone. So here it is written version 2 and Android 10, and RAM is 3GB and octa-core processor. So basically this is nice phone.